What's up, guys? So tomorrow on Thanksgiving, we're actually going to be going to pick up a truck. So I think it's going to be a fun little project. It's got a sentimental backstory. We'll get into all of that later on in the video. But Brett's going to be towing the trailer with the trail boss, and then me and Lauren are going to be falling behind in his Jeep because we don't have a winch yet on here, but the Jeep's got one on the front of it, and there's a pretty good chance we're going to need one in order to get this truck up onto this trailer. Now, the only thing I'm really concerned about is the height of this thing, because I think we can jackknife the trailer, put the Jeep up front, and then use its winch to pull the truck onto here. But if the trailer's too tall and the winch cable's trying to get into it, I don't want to mess it up, because this is literally the maiden voyage of this thing since we bought it. And so I'm excited to use it. I'm excited for a new project, and I know Brett is as well. You'll see why later. Doing a quick once over before we take off. Had a little bit of a change of plans. So Gigi brought the trail boss because Brett had to run some errands. So we're gonna be driving this about 30 minutes down the road, meet up with him. He's got the Jeep. We are all good, chained up, plugged in, ball on there, locked down. Trying not to forget anything, but get a little POV. Daggone trail ball. All right, well, let's see how the old 5.3, 10 speed on the 35's like hauling it naked, and then we'll get this truck loaded up. Well, we've officially made it to the Big Peach. Pop is freaking whipping the Jeep. I thought we were gonna be driving it, but he said to just go ahead, keep driving the truck, which is doing great. We got her in tow haul. Factory trailer brake thing's working great. And we're about to bog onto the interstate, so let's see how she do. Smidge bouncy with the unloaded trailer. I tell you what, there's one thing that I can't freaking stand, and that's a litter bug. This dude, he just ripped open something, threw the top piece off, put whatever powder it was in his mouth, and then threw the other trash away. Look at him. He's like, yeah, you're a freaking litter bug. You're a scumbag. You're no good for society. Anyways, we made it about 40 minutes. Lauren's going to the bathroom. I ain't gonna lie, that's pretty low. Where's she at? Got her. Did y'all get lost in there?
No.
I'm good here. Oh yeah, we good. You had me scared for a second there. We made it here all of 2 minutes, and now we gotta go get super glue for Lauren's fingernail because she decided to break it off. We gotta find the nail.
We gotta drive over there. It's cold. I need my phone.
We officially made it to the trailer park. Trail boss did great. Told her like it was nothing. So you might be asking, why are you at the trailer park? Well, for one, we're having Thanksgiving with Brett's wife's mom. She lives in that trailer right there. She just moved in here. His dad owned this place, and then when he passed, him and his brother got it, and so her mom lived out of state and had some health stuff, so they moved her in. And so we're having Thanksgiving here, and I'm ready to freaking eat. Holy crap. The truck is down there somewhere, and we'll get into the backstory in a minute.
The nail has been found.
Also, I've always wanted a Jeep, just never gotten a Jeep. So
have a Jeep.
what are we thinking?
Yeah.
Loretta is not a true Jeep.
Rude.
Jeep Grand Cherokees don't count unless they're old.
Rude.
Listen to that daggone 4.0 liter V inline 6 boggin. This is Gold Digger. This is gonna be. Wait, who's getting this?
Me.
You are getting this?
Mm-hmm.
You know, we have to wait for our parents to pass, so we're not in a hurry to get it.
No.
So there's that. This view might be a little bit reminiscent of Old Blue, which is crazy because the interior of this truck is all blue. But we are currently about to tow this thing up to the trailer via the Jeep. No power steering, so this is going to royally suck. Oh my gosh, this is going to suck so bad. Might can peep the 11th gen over there, the one we got in this video. Why is this guy pushing this truck? We are pulling it with a Jeep and it's winched. got his shirt on. Where you going? Oh, he's saying goodbye, I guess. I don't freaking know.
Ain't no way. You almost had it.
Here, let me look at it real quick.
That bar over there,
Yeah.
that bar's gonna get on that bumper when you push
Inch
it.
it a little bit. Yeah. I mean, I don't think we're too worried.
See?
All right,
See,
hold
that
that.
Jeep don't keep it, that's gonna keep it from going up. Sometimes it's about to go up like that.
Well, let's do this. Let's see what'll happen if we ease forward. And then we
Okay.
can decide.
All right.
I'm up against it now. It ain't going nowhere, I don't believe. You good?
Yep.
All right, buddy. You keep an eye on it.
Think this door will go over the fender?
Have to find out.
Stop, Brett. Stop. Let it go right there. Come back a little bit.
We can probably put.
We got to get the wheels, the Jeep wheels off the ground.
You're good.
Comfy up.
Keep pushing it.
So if I keep going forward, it's gonna.
It's
hung up on the bumper.
Come on up. All right, come on up.
I think what's
Yeah, I
push
should-
the Jeep.
Get the Jeep up. Come on up. Come on. Come on. Come on. All right, now you're free.
We're free.
The bumper a little bit low, but it's
You know, we could have put some air in the tires and probably rolled a whole lot.
It would have
better.
rolled a whole lot better. I ran out of gas, man.
Probably not.
All right. Fingers.
That's it. Like I said, look at the 11th gen. Buddy done busted the side up on old fiberglass. Unreal. I like that truck when we got it.
That's definitely not flat.
It's flat-ish. Dang. Pop rig tooted up.
Flat.
Yeah, it's pretty good. Got yourself a certified squat rig. Looks tough, ain't gonna lie. Unreal. All right, boys. Well, we've officially eaten too much. Got probably 30 minutes before it's dark. We're all strapped down, ready to roll. Let's see how the trail boss does now. as y'all saw, I got the truck unloaded. Trailer is unloaded. Trail Boss did absolutely amazing. And I think the first thing that I'm going to do is go ahead and just charge the battery up. So I don't know if there's 21. Battery's probably shot. Is this a good old tried and true 5.9, just like our second gen? It looks the same to me. I don't know what else. I guess it's got to be. That definitely ain't doing it no good. Holy crap. Wow. Yeah. Probably had some starter fluid blowing through it. So, I don't know. Let's put some juice to it and see what happens. All right, guys. Well, I just got home from work in Reginald. So I think it's about time we put the key to this thing and see what she does. So the battery's been charging for a couple of days. I say that, why do we? I don't freaking know. Hopefully it's got enough juice. Anyways, let's see if it does anything at all. See how big of a project we bit off. Okay, well, it spins over. Battery's getting weak. Says that it's totally out of gas. I tried spinning it over once again after I swapped some fuses around, and I smell fuel. So is it possible that it's just absolutely out of fuel and the fuel pump is just extremely quiet? I don't know. I haven't found any wires that are torn or look chewed up. You got your main fuel pump relay right here, and then your fuel pump fuse. That guy and that guy, I pulled both, swapped this one with this one, which is your starter relay, and nothing changed, it seems. So I might just go grab some gas and put it in here and see if that does anything. I already know that if it does have gas in it, it probably ain't great. It ain't got a freaking fuel cap. So might have water in there. I don't know. We'll just have to see. Either way, I guess it'd be a good time to go ahead and tell y'all the backstory of why I even got this truck. So the reason why we took Brett's Trail Boss and went up there, and this was at the place where we got it and everything, was because this was his dad's first new truck he ever bought. Bought this thing brand new back in 1996, and it was pretty cool. I guess technically not pulling with Brett's first new truck he bought, because apparently he bought a Ford, whatever, this thing. Bought that. We're going to say that's not really a real truck. So the Trail Boss was the first truck that he properly bought brand new himself. Towing his dad's first brand new truck with his, I think that's pretty freaking cool. So the goal with this one is to get it running. Of course, that's the first thing that we want to do. And then he wants to throw like a leveling kit on it, some wheels and tires. And he was talking about getting it repainted and everything. But man, I told him, I was like, dude, I'd leave it. It's old school cool. Throw you a good looking wheel and tire setup on there, level it, get it running right, maybe a little exhaust, some tint. Enjoy your dad's old truck. Yeah, I think that'd be pretty freaking cool. I'll tell y'all what, I'm really feeling like it's gonna be the fuel pump or some stupid wire. Splash gas all over myself. But it sure would be a nice change of recent luck if it was just fuel. If we were just out of gasoline. It'd be a real nice little upper. Well, on a positive note, it's showing 40 pounds of oil pressure now, but no change whatsoever. Kind of want to hit it with some ether. I guess the next step is pulling the bed off and swapping the fuel pump. But I'm going to go ahead and post the video. So for the Dodge experts out there, y'all can drop a comment and let me know. 96 5.2. Didn't even know there was a 5.2 option, but this is a 5.2 truck. What should we check? Fuses seem to be fine. The relay seems to be fine. I don't see any wires eating through or anything. Obviously, there could be some under the truck. I saw some comments or stuff on the forums about your ground being bad, but also the ECU. And I mean, the engine sounds healthy. It's spinning over freely, but clearly she's not getting fuel. So that leads me to believe it's the fuel pump. which who knows what this truck, because Buddy, the guy that was pushing the truck, he did try to get this thing running, and he's been around through most of its life as well. So I don't know. Drop a comment. Let me know where we should start. Should we just go ahead, snatch the bed off, place the fuel pump, or is there something a little more tricky or niche that we should try? Let me know, Dodge boys, because I ain't a Dodge boy, but I do know what the symptoms are showing. It's looking like the fuel pump. It's gonna be great. Gonna replace fuel pump, spend a couple $100, and then figure out the transmission absolutely obliterated. But I do think it's gonna be a fun project, and it's definitely got a cool backstory. So hopefully y'all did enjoy the video. Definitely drop a comment, leave a like, subscribe if you're new, ring that bell notification, and give us some insight. What should we try first?